In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a job on Upwork so that you can find freelancers that can actually get you a list of businesses as far as for within your criteria, right? So as you can see here, I have a job that I posted for lead generation here. And I mentioned that I'm looking for the owner's contact information for all credit repair businesses, companies in the USA. And then I had a doc here, okay? And then I went up here and I created this Google sheet here, Google Doc, and it essentially says, okay, this is a target market right here. I want it to be credit repair businesses in the US. I'm looking for all the contact information as far as the first name, last name, title, company website, state. I'm looking for this as far as revenue, right? And then what I'm asking people to do, this is key here, okay? When you're posting these jobs, you want them to send you a sample mix of about 50 contacts, okay? Because you want to see if they can follow directions and if they can give you the right type of information that you're looking for, right? And some people that will apply will say, hey, you know, what if I send you these leads and you don't pay me or you don't choose me? Or I've had people just come back to me and say, you know, I can't provide you these 50 leads because you're just going to take them and, you know, run away, all these different things. So when you got people that are, you know, a little bit scared to provide you with leads up front to show that they can actually perform, I definitely steer away from those type of contractors. The best kind of contractors are confident in their work, right, in their ability, and they'll provide a list of 50 contacts, no problem. And one of the biggest things here is really just to get them to follow directions, right? And then you can see, okay, these business owners here, right, they've put together this list of 50 prospects and they've done it exactly how I want it to be set up, right? So here is, going back over here, this is a job post here. And you want to make this very simple. You know, I'm looking for XYZ businesses. And then you have this doc here. And what I did is I hired about 6 different people here. Okay. And what ends up happening is that you can test out different, you know, prospects, different folks that are actually going to scrape this data, get this data. The ones that I found to work the best here, this gal right here, definitely works very, very well. And also this individual here, I forgot his name. So let's go over here. These two guys are part of a, let's go to, see if we can look at the profile. Yeah, so these two fellas here are part of an agency, I think it is. Let's go over here. Okay, so yeah, these guys right here are definitely very, very good at what they do. So expert admin services. Yeah, so highly recommend these two guys here. They do extremely well with putting together customized lists, okay? And all you got to do is, again, ask them, hey, I want these types of businesses that fit within this criteria. For emailing, I would recommend that you include these fields here. You can put industry, whatever that is, because really all you're needing is the name, email, and maybe something about the business. But I'd like to get this information for myself. I'd like to see, okay, they have X number of employees, they have X number of revenue range, right? So the biggest thing here when you're posting a job is making sure that they provide a list of at least 50 free contacts. So let's go over here and let's go to post a job here. So how we would be able to do this, right? Create a new job post. Let's go to short term. Let's go to continue. Let's go lead generation for XYZ businesses. Okay. And then lead generation. Let's go to next here. You can literally just copy this here, what I got. Well, let's just write it over here. So let's go. I am looking for business contact information for XYZ companies, and here is a Google Doc where you can see the exact criteria, okay? And then I recommend you put a link here, and then you create the actual list here as far as the criteria. Get very specific with whoever you want to target, right? And then post this job. Let's go to the next here. I would put a ongoing project, or you can do one time, whatever is best for you there. So let's go to data scraping, lead list there, prospect list, go next. You can do worldwide. I definitely recommend worldwide because you'll get some really good service, even though it is overseas. No specific there. Let's go to next here. We want to hire one freelancer. Let me see here. Do we have any freelancers you want to invite? No. This is if you have somebody you've worked with in the past, or somebody that you want to actually reach out to that may be on your list. Okay, talent preferences. Yeah, we want to get here. We want to make sure that either one of these is good. I like to do at least 100 hours, and then 90% and up. No type of group affiliations there. Okay, great. Let's go up here. Let's go only Upwork. Okay, and then next. Okay, pay by the hour. Pay a fixed price. So typically what I'll do is I'll either do like a pay by the hour, and I'll do expert, and then I'll put in like, I don't know, 10, 20, 30, whatever dollars an hour, just to be a placeholder and say, hey, I'm looking for somebody to do this. You know, I'm looking for expert talent, you know, pricing is negotiable, or whatever that may be, right? Let's go more than 6 months, or we can go 3 to 6 months here. Okay. And then let's go to less than 30 hours a week. Okay, great. And so this is where we would essentially just go to post now. Now, typically I don't have them do any type of cover letter. Let's move this here. Let's just add some screening questions here. Create your own. Actually, let's go from the one selected. If you have any questions, okay, boom, just a couple there. Obviously, they got to be relevant to your particular, you know, contractor that you're looking for there, and the skills that you want them to have. So this would be, you know, right here, boom, post job now. So basically what will happen is you'll get a bunch of people that will apply, and if the contractors do not provide, right, this list here of 50 contacts, then you got to move on to the next one, right? And I already gave you a couple examples there of different contractors that you can use that I've personally used that have delivered great results. So that's going to be it here for this video on how you can hire a freelancer on Upwork, a contractor, to build you customized lists. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.